In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Wix. If you've been looking for a way to integrate a Jotform form seamlessly into your Wix website, you're in the right place. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, collecting signups, or managing reservations, embedding a Jotform into your Wix site is a straightforward process that can save you time and enhance the functionality of your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your form live and ready to use. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Jotform website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. Creating one is quick and user-friendly. Just follow the prompts to set up your account and you'll be ready to go. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Forms section, which you'll find in your Jotform dashboard. This is where all the forms you've created are stored. Locate the form you want to embed on your Wix site, hover over the form to reveal more options, and when you see the More button, click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional settings for your form. From that menu, select the Publish Form option. This is the key to getting your form ready for use on other platforms. Now you'll see several options for sharing your form. Scroll down or look for the section labeled Platforms. Once you find it, click on it, and you'll see a variety of platforms available for embedding your form. From the list of platforms, select Wix. When you do this, Jotform will generate an embed code specifically for Wix. This is the code you'll need to integrate your form into your website. Click on the Copy Code button to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what allows your Jotform to communicate with Wix and display properly on your site. Now, it's time to switch over to the Wix website. Open the Wix homepage in your browser and log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the Wix Editor for the specific website where you want to embed your form. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you select the correct one. Once you're in the Wix Editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Add Elements option. This is where you can add various components to your Wix site. Using the search bar at the top of this section, type in embed code to find the feature quickly. Alternatively, you can scroll through the options manually until you locate it. When you find Embed HTML, click on it to select this option. This will create a box on your web page where you can input custom HTML code. Paste the embed code you copied from Jotform into the HTML box that appears. Be sure to paste it exactly as it is. No edits or changes are necessary. After pasting the code, click the Update button to save your changes. This step ensures that the code is applied and that the form is embedded successfully on your site. Now, it's time to preview your website. Use the Preview function in the Wix Editor to confirm that the form is displaying correctly on your web page. If everything looks good, you're almost done. However, you might need to make some final adjustments to the placement or size of the form to ensure it fits nicely within your website's design. Use the drag and drop tools in the Wix Editor to position the form exactly where you want it. Resize the form as necessary so that it aligns with the overall look and feel of your site. And that's it. Your Jotform is now successfully embedded in your Wix website. You can start sharing your site and collecting responses through your form immediately. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.